Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's see what we are going to create today. Now, create a composition. I am using 1920 by 1080 resolution and duration 10 seconds longer. Now click on OK. Go to Toolbar, select Typing Tool, type what you want. Make sure your text align is center. We change size and adjust the letter spacing. Now create a new solid layer. We call it Element 3D. Now we add Element 3D plugin. Go to Custom Layer, select Text and Mask, change Path 1 to Text Layer. Now hide Text Layer, and select Scene Setup. Now click on Extrude, to insert the text. You can get free project file from the link in description. Only subscribed users can download this. You can easily rotate the 3D text. We add new shape for background. We will rotate it 90 degrees by pressing Shift key. Now we will change the size of XY side. In my case we change size to 2020. We will move the text forward something like that. Now we will try to add different shades to the background and text. There are many shades available in Pro Shades 2 pack. I hope one of them looks good in your text. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for latest videos. It looks good to me. Now change the UV mapping value. Approx 15. Turn on Show Ambient Occlusion. We also add shades to the text layer. Turn off Grid. Now we change background reflection to mirror surface. We also change text reflection to spherical. This gives us a nice reflection effect. Now select Text Layer, and change Bezel Copies to 2. Now select Bezel 2. Go to Setting. And we will change the value of Extrude, expand edges and bull size. Select Bezel 1, go to Setting, and we will change the value of Extrude. Now we add shade on Bezel 2. It looks good to me. Now select Environment, go to Basic 2K. There are different environments available. I hope you like one of them. Now our Element 3D work is done. We just need to change some settings. Click on OK. Now we add a camera layer. Our preset is 35mm. Click on OK. Now press C for camera tools. We need zoom tool. You can adjust the camera according to your choice. Please give me 5 likes on this video to inspire me to create more videos. Now select Element 3D layer. Go to Render Setting. Then go to Physical Environment. We change the value of exposure and gamma. Now go to Light. There are a lot of light. You can try all of them. I hope one of them is suitable for you. It looks good to me. Now go to Ambient Scattering, and enable Ambient Scattering. Now we add Spotlight. You can choose any color you want. Press P for position. Now that we have adjusted the spotlight position, It will look good on my text. Now we adjust the camera. Select camera, press A, scroll down, and turn on depth of field. We also adjust the focus distance and aperture. Now press P for camera position. Add first keyframe, then go forward approx 4 seconds. And change the value of camera position. It will give us a nice cinematic look. If you have a special request, please comment it. I hope this tutorial will help you to create your own 3D animation in a very easy method. Now our animation look like this. We will meet on next tutorial. Goodbye.